Welcome, welcome to Dyson Sphere Program. We're going to carry on my play of this new game, and we're about 12 hours in now. We've got automated 3 planets. I've got little robot ships flying around. They are cool. We've got local planet stuff as well. I've not automated any of these drone productions or spaceships. I handcrafted them, which is a bit awkward, but we've got enough production coming in to get this yellow going a bit better now. So we got yellow science at 37.5. I want to boost this to about 50, so I need to get some more diamonds. Those are the diamonds here. Now this is actually kind of not lacking the production of not enough stuff coming in. I think this is actually a lack of spaceships. I'm supposed to pick it up and deliver it, but there's 9 more. That should help it out. They're a bit slow. We might be able to get another one in. It might help it out. I mean, we've got quite a lot of titanium going. Over here, the titanium has been shipped. And it's not that much actually is coming over. These are supposed to be making titanium crystals, you see, but what's actually happening is, oh, this thing's stealing it all. Yeah, that's unfortunate. There's actually plenty going around, but I'm just stealing too much. So what I might do is change this path. And go around the other side. That way we actually get it. It's currently like the one of them's going all the time, and that's going, it's 1.5 speed one, but these two aren't going because there's actually no titanium reaching it. Why is that one not working? What's happening here? That should work. There's a lot more titanium now. They should actually all get fed into the system. Might be not enough actually. These might be too hungry to get to the third one. Oh no, couple got through. Okay. That should help. We're going to get some of these other titanium crystals. So we get some yellow, fast yellow science. Now I've got a lot of stuff to automate. I think priority wise, it's probably this this thing here, the particle container. We've got the electric engines, we've got the copper and the graphene. We just got underway. I do want to get that going proper. This should be going much better now actually. Yeah, let's get the graphene. I think we need a second graphene. That diamond thing is working out quite well. Now this is the problem here actually, is that I've actually done this filter here so that this gets some. I mean, it's good we're getting all these titanium alloys, but really probably should just side load it instead like that with overflow. I think it'll work. Yeah, it's fine. So we get more production through. And this graphite over this side is backed up, so we're actually got enough for diamonds, another diamond. We'll just do it over here. F3. I need cogs. Give me some cogs, really? Don't think so. That's better. And then we'll be able to get this. Now it's filling up diamonds a bit much compared to the other things, so eventually might not even get there if I don't manage it correctly. I should have two separate ones. Not a problem currently, but it will be a problem in the future. And the yellow stack is trying its best. Let's get more of those crystals. But yeah, increasing yellow science is probably the highest priority. So I can get things unlocked. Oh, that's the... these things. I got no magnets. Here's what you run out of all the time. I'm kind of interested to watch some other people play, and the starting positions are quite different between people. I really don't need that many of these. Now I could do a more delivery of stuff. I've got this ray receiver, receiving high energy rays generated from the Dyson Sphere. I'm not sure about that yet. I've got accumulators, so I actually need to get crystal silicon made. And I need to get this thing made too, the super magnetic ring. Now that ring's kind of expensive. I must need like a generic storage chest at some point as well. Not really sure. I mean, these resources are finite, but they're basically infinite is the scheme of the game. Any circuits? I'm trying to craft. I want to automate these prisms. What should we use them for? I want to automate these too. This is the main one, the powder container, so I'll increase the graphite over here. Not the graphene, is it? This is a bit limited in the speed of moving it. Why is it so far away? It's so weird. Try again. Yeah, it stays far away. I don't know why. Far closer. I can get two of them. I think one was fast enough to be fine. I really have to automate this Mark II version at some point. It's very good, this one. There's this motors and other thing, which I can do, so I might get this sorted too as a standard thing over here. Because I have the motors there. That's the end, so to join them together and we've got a Mark II version. Probably can build over top. Maybe, maybe not. Let's get rid of this panel, this thing here. There we go. Probably around here somewhere. Let's get to there. Down. Make one of these. And the storage chest, the Mark II version. Power line. Done. To make this pretty quick. And we'll just limit it to 2 stacks, I think. Even this is at 4 stacks is too much. So that's what's the normal speed of this? This is 0.5 trips a grid. This is, yeah, it's literally twice the speed, so that's definitely worth it. Now we've got belt 2. That's electric motors and belt, so I might do that as well. About time I did that. It's quite far to travel that belt though, but I could just move it with one of these towers. Or I can just belt it over. I can probably just belt it over. It's annoying where it is. It's here, right? So. Power grid it up. Oh, that's underneath. So these are things being in this different heights. I like that they got lots of robots now, so they're quite fast. Making crafting much quicker. Oh, I got some ore in the way, so we've got to go around. Somewhere around here will be fine. Cool, so it's going to make Mark II belt. Too far? Too far. That's fine. Put the Mark II belt. Changes things a bit, getting that going. Well, they're quite efficient. You get 1 for 1. Just adds that in, so that's actually quite good. Some low on fuel. And storage. Ooh, faster drones. I like it. I do. And I can just craft away. It's quite slow, but I mean, I get multiple. Let's craft 3 at once, isn't it? So. It's 45 a minute, so it's too fast, these little belts. Let's get Mark 2s from here. Oh, got rid of the Mark 1s. We'll just pump them back in here. Pretty sure get that core energy sorted. That's the belt. Right, let's put the Mark 2s and the 5s. Much faster. Even that's like struggling to move it fast enough. So efficient. Really touches the motors though. But yeah, that's gonna be good. So get all that Mark II built up. Alright, let's go get some power. Some graphite, we need it. Ooh, general storage that is. I do. Now we did set up this coal mine here a while ago, but never actually harvested it. The robots seem to be doing a good job. I've got 900 graphite in storage here, and 900 titanium, so that's worked out quite well. Now this thing's got maximum high purity silicon, which is a bit awkward because we're supposed to have it over here producing it. Seems like we are taking it off. I got glass, so I was going to make something the glass from glass. I was going to make prisms. Will be worth making prisms. The ground, maybe? Yeah. I don't know how fast it needs to go, but so these. Two prism makers would be enough. That'll do. And use the F5s. Nice. Here's some prisms. How many of them you actually need, but it's one of those things I want it automated. So why have we automated? We haven't automated that. That needs prisms and magnets. This plasma combiner. It also needs prisms. This thing here is just... yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff we're going to hook up. I'm starting to think about these as being hubs. Problem is I only do 3. So you're going to use 3 items. So I want to move 3 items from one place to another place. It doesn't really work so well. But I wanted to get more of those towers, because they're very, very good. So I need steel beams. This is those particle containers that I'm actually crafting. Some of the graphene I'm missing. I still haven't sorted the diamond out. This is fully backlogged actually. Belt is going great. Basically too many diamonds. It's a bit awkward because I haven't designed this very well. I might move this old belt to location. Alright, let's get move the belt. Yeah. Good layout. We can move this to be a separate thing. Alright. I'm gonna pick that up. I can't even pick that up. May I keep the diamonds going to the old one? And the new one. Just jumps over the top of that. Oh, that's not funky. Why is that so far away? That's weird. Oh, it's in the sky still. I thought it was on the ground. Alright, that works, and then rewired. Bit better for the science. The only problem is we've actually got no science coming on this belt. I don't know what's happened. It's not working. Where's the science? Got no crystals. Oh dear. Oh, that's awkward. So we did this a while ago and I forgot about it. Basically we're supposed to hook the second one up. Well, why is that one not going though? That's got no refined oil. Did I not? Oh, I didn't even fix that up either. Totally disconnected it. Job half done. Job not done. Oh, that doesn't hook in. Ooh. Need that water to get to this back end. Getting that plastic out's not really possible. Move the water all the way around, that seems to be a bit extreme. That might work. No, a little further. Okay, now I got Kim and Kim both are going. Are they outputting properly? You'd hope so. You need that science, you know? These are slow. So these are, it says 10 a minute. And these are 30 a minute, but they need only one of them. I have 4 seconds, so it's 12 seconds, 3. These are way too slow. I might go fill the lake in a bit more with another. Craft that. Inventory full. Fine. Doesn't fit. Fine. Is that gonna fit? It does. Cool. Why can I connect there? Ah, sad. Just better then. Right there. The nice ones if we jump over. We do it out there. Then we need a foundation. Too close? No. Oh, that's okay. Can I hook in is a question. Can, cool. Need to get that one hooked in. I think it's the nearest one, this one. I can't get in. Let's go around. And we can build the rest down onto the belt. Onto this one. Nice. Jimmy Jam there, but I think it's worth it. Look at these things coming along. This one's not getting anything though. Right. Definitely not fast enough production. Yeah, titanium. It's definitely these crystals. Refined oil seems to be fine. The plastic's kind of a no-brainer. I feel like this is too slow. It says 10 a minute. It's 30 a minute of making. But this needs only 4 seconds to make one. So I guess the number of machines we got here is a bit too many, because this can make 15 a minute. 2 of them would be enough, right? I think it's because I had a huge buffer, so my production looked artificially high. I think I need more crystals. I think I need a 60 minute. I need another 3 of these. I haven't really laid this out to build more though. I'll go over here. Start a game. Start fresh. Make a nice clean area with it. Oh, inventory full. Alright, we'll just do a line of them. On that side. Oh, even this oil is a bit too slow, I suspect, because it's actually getting held up by the hydrogen. Not getting the hydrogen out fast enough. Too much hydrogen. And that oil back here is like all filled up. Maybe do a tank of hydrogen on this side. Why does it not rotate? No matter which way I go, it's always that one direction. It's very strange. Ooh, carry capacity, that's great. Oh, there is one there, it's just I can't see it. I think because it's so close, I'm gonna go to it. Just try along this line here. And fast out. At least the Can always produce the oil I need to produce. I don't know, make enough plastic to be honest. This is going down now, so a big buffer, but it won't be enough long term. I need another plastic producer. Need to get this splitted. It's fuel. Get one splitter in there. I get there. Let's go there, I think. Alright, that's the oil split. Not sure it's going to be enough oil, to be honest. Alright, it's hooked in again. Maybe you're actually okay after all, but it's just get that science up, you know. Get this yellow is just sad. I mean, we're at, it says 22 now. It's even lower than before because the buffer ran out. Production must grow. We're going to have to get more orders. Oh, we don't even need them, do we? We've got to pick up those goodies. That'll do for now. I gotta pick up the faster belts. Get rid of these old belts. Wow, look at them all. See if we can get rid of these ones. Let's create a storage chest next to it for dumping old stuff into it. $800 of them is fine. We should swap spaces. When you stop using the old ones, it would be handy. So I don't think I'll be using these old ones again. Water. We've got oil, get rid of that too. Alright, let's get this oil going. Definitely the bottleneck. Let's load it there, I think. Yeah, let's go steal the oil. How do I do it this side? It's just... Let's get in between the loop, isn't it? Oh, they're facing each other too. So that's the oil. And the outside one can be the hydrogen, I guess. The inside one. That's the inside one. Cool. Just gotta hook this in. Over here. Where's fireworks? Weird day for fireworks. Cool, that's a nice little merge splitter. And we get rid of all this, all the extra hydrogen. Yeah, no, my rate of speed is too slow. I'm trying to speed it up. Need more oil. Now, I'm supposed to output it into this belt line, but it's not really getting much. Honest. I think this plastic is going well. It's still going down though, so even with the two plastics, not quite enough for the production rate. Three of these. What's the production rate of this? 27. It's okay, but it is too slow. I've got to get these going, so I need to double the. I need another bunch of. I need to make a proper plastic refinery, to be honest. So I need to get more graphite. Now these are kind of. Could be more. Could fit more into this belch. Not that belt. We can do a new one. But it's kind of not even using much. This plastic's kind of slow. It takes 3 seconds to consume one, so it's not much production needed. Might be okay with the one. These, on the other hand, that not enough petrol coming in. This is getting consumed. It's getting to the end though. It's not backing up. But it's not like run out. It's like going constantly. It only uses one. Are these even going? What's wrong with this one? Not even going. What's wrong with that? Should we be taking what? That one's going, that one's not. Why not? Oh, look, what's gone wrong here? Output there. That's just not even grabbing the oil in the first place. There we go. Yes, it's too slow, I know. Trying to speed it up. Get extra. Where the fuel cells are that actually? So that's the titanium. Titanium's over there. I do have plenty of extra. What goes in the storage chest currently? I could just split it there or something. One might be better there. Yeah, fast. Let's make them here, I guess. Be fine. Maybe some fuel cells. Oh, I can make them there. I don't know if I can. I can. Cool. Oh, I built more of them. I didn't realise they actually backfilled to more radius than I thought. There we go, I got the hydrogen fuel cells. So hook in yeah. And some storage. Which is quite fast actually. They'll use up all the extra hydrogen I make, hopefully. Alright, what else can I craft? Am I getting like these drones automated? I need these engines, so that's that normal thrusters is just steel and copper, quite cheap. The processors, I got plenty of them now, and I got this iron. Good to ship the processors to one of those central things to move it. Get another one of these down here somewhere. It's got a little bit of landmass here I can use. Pocket here, for instance. Useful. No steel, and I've got none of these. I've got no graphene. Wow, I got a lot of graphene there. Holy moly. Yeah, I got no problem with graphene. What's it trying to build then? Why can't I build this? I build that for some reason. Why? Ah, copper. I should get around to automating this. This thing here is a bit of a bugbear, this particle collider. So I got the bits. I just need the copper in a better spot. Now there might be a copper mine up here. Yeah, there's a copper mine up there anyway, so I can use that. Put the electric there, and the graphene. So let's move it all over to here or something. Get that automated. Right, that's the graphene out. Put it in, I think there's very fine. I think I need one structure. Do the hook up the other bits. And the motors from over there. Can't go there, really? That's sad. Try again. Is that F2? And the copper plate. It's over here, but put a belt line here we can use. So fast now, all these robots. Way quicker than before. Swiftkin these resources. Oh, we went too far. Cool, and we got storage. There we go, we got these things. They're great, these things. They're very useful. So for the towers, these things, I can put them all together now and make towers. I don't know how many towers I want, but I do want to automate the tower. I might go request the processors to move them. I want the processors centralized. So I might add them into this building. And we'll go build a tower. You go pick up some steel. Cool. Oh, I actually don't need a tower. I just needed to move this processing here to that tower there. Gotta get this down the ground. There we go. And this is gonna supply the processes. There we go. Not to make them that fast, but they're constantly crafting. We should got a lot of room for more production. What's this soon? I think there's hydrogen actually. We could do another fuel cell there for that one. Now I'm going to get CPUs here. We can make these towers. To get those automated, it's kind of easy to make these interstellar stations. Oh, also like these EM rail things as well, I guess. A lot of things need CPUs. What is fractionalization for? Fractionator. Some glass. Where's my glass at? I had a glass factory here. Let's try this fractionator then. Oh, I've got too much stuff. I can't craft it now. It literally disappeared. I actually lost those items. Wow, I didn't realize that happened. The current craft time you're gonna usually lose the items. Better be more careful then. Let's craft one, have a look.
You built a fractionator, which can randomly fractionate several deuterium out of liquid hydrogen. Use a conveyor belt to import hydrogen from one side, export from the opposite side, and the deuterium will export from the front port after fractional distillation. You may want to increase the deuterium production rate. You can accelerate the speed of materials in and out, or build more fractionators.
Alright, let's try this out. That way, maybe? I don't know. Cool, so that's making stuff. How do I get the deuterium out? How do I get the Tuesday 5? Looks like it just automatically does that one. We're at none so far. How does this work? Here we go, my first one. Okay. We'll just go put it into a storage channel. Cool, so that's one deuterium. Definitely more than one of these going. My power's probably not good enough. We're good. We should got. At least we've got a spare capacity. It's a weird process. We put like on top another one. I've got the CPUs here. That's the CPU output. Right, let's make a building. This thing. These the other things, it's down there, eh? So we just need the titanium, which is there, and then the steel. I haven't really automated buildings before this game. It's got a lot of them though. Doing a good job. Cool, so it's oh, I gotta put the other end. It's quite fast actually. And then we need the titanium. I guess another belt out actually of this central thing. Now let's get the steel. Now I think I'll move the steel. Move the steel over here, but I need to check it. Do I actually move it? I thought I did. Definitely did. Here we go. Steel line is to here. Why can't I go there? That's one too close. Here we go, we're going to actually craft logistic stations. If I power this up. I mean, only one stack fine, I think. Close, really? Oh, it's still getting. Oh, it's crafting one. 2.3 a minute. That's pretty quick. It's only crafting it before I even got the drones crafted. But these seem more fiddly if I go to other star systems. Nice to have a bunch of these available. I don't know how they stack on one. We'll find out. Now I do want to get. We'll go for that one. Machine Mark II. Well, the idle's slightly higher. I think it's like. I don't think they're even efficient. I'll use my calculator. 0.75 times 480. 360. Yeah, really inefficient. 77% more power usage for the 50% more production, so it's merely a space saver, this thing. It's better, but I mean, as far as like building manual processes, it's probably way better because manually building anything, it's really slow. And component wise, I definitely need to get these drones. Now we've got the processes here. We need to get this thrust and ingot. Thrusters are steel and copper, so we've got the steel here. Now the copper is miles away. It's like over here, I think. Oh, I've got 4 of them now, so we're just gonna stack them. That's great. Okay, whatever. I'll go straight on top of this one now. It's in the sky too, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, let's get some more belts. Where are they? They're over here somewhere. These bad boys. Too much graphite stuff on the inventory. Just touch it. Oh, it's all filled up now. I don't think we need to carry around the graphene. I mean, unless we're crafting. Does he use graphene? I don't think so. I mean, that's just 2 engines, really. Quite quick. And these just, also 2 engines. So I actually would have made this thing here. Even that alone would help, or not? Definitely don't need the graphene. A lot of junk in my inventory. My research, is it getting any better? Still steady consumption 22. Oh. It's not researching, what's it doing? I've actually researched all this stuff. What's it have to do? Could get the faster mecha speed. This space whooper thing sounds cool. Get the construction to keep my labs higher. Cargo sorting. Where is the cargo stacking for sorters Mark III? I don't get it. What's that for? This carrying capacity and stuff. That's where it's at. Whoa. Vessel carrying capacity is huge. I need to get purple science, I think. We get this mecha engine to fly faster, but I'm not really going to go anywhere for a while. Move speed doesn't really matter anymore. Which technologies, I think. I've got this energy exchange, I don't know what this is for. What am I exploiting gas giants though? This thing looks cool. This needs a orbit collector. Ooh. How do I power it? How do you power that? Sounds cool to research though. Let's go research it. Behaved CPUs here, 2000. And we've got 10 of these stations, wow. It's crazy. I mean, we're not even storing these currently. Being gobbled up by this machine. Let's stop at 10, you'd think. And this thing needs 20 each time. Don't make many of these particle containers. The thing is, this is the same tech as this. It's easy to make once you got that. I just need 20 of these, so I just need to get more particle containers, I suspect. This thing here. Let's just set it up proper belt rather than this single thing. What's the ratio? 222, all the same. It doesn't matter then. Cool, that'll make it a little bit tidier. Ah, can't walk through poles. Let me through, and we'll just don't matter too much. Cool, so that's a little bit faster. I might actually want more than that, but thing still looks like it stores a lot more than I thought, even with one stack. So I want to make another one here, and this would make the big tower. That means I hold 5 at once. Holy moly. Too far on the ground? It's on the flat, okay. Medical items. Wow, we'll automate that. So I'm going to automate this big beastie building when it's like literally the big beastie building. We've got these little buildings we haven't automated. 1. Thanks. It's more of a late game thing. We'll go get the canisters as well. Just need to get these titanium alloys over here. funky. That tower? Oh, it's weird. I go straight, might make it easier. That's not the best spot, really. But that's the last item, so that's fine. Cool, that will be fine. And now we've automated the big tower. There's 50 of those though. We started to produce, but that's fine. We're just going to get a stack of 10 of these in here. Definitely want more of these. Right. F5. Cool. And outputs. Nice. I don't know if I'm making enough. It's 4 seconds to make it, so now I'm currently making one a second. Don't know how fast I make the graphene. I got one little graphene factory. It's 20 minutes, so it's 6. It's every. It's only one? Oh no, I get 2 though. Every minute, I think. Like 1.5 seconds to get 1. We're going to slightly drain this over time. That's okay. Always get more graphene. Just want to get these towers up, you know? Intergalactics. What other buildings are worth automating? I don't know. Like most stuff, that's the hard stuff. I'll probably get this EM rail, but that's going to need this thing. The supermagnetic ring. So it's used for a few things though. So it's probably worth automating. It's used for Mark 3 belts too. Mark 3 belts does use graphene. Mark 3 belts is very, very fast. It's actually a 1-for-1 once you get it, so worth doing. I'm an hour 23. I might do another. We'll get drones. These things. I said the engine automate this thing. Steel and copper. This is steel was. Is that steel? Was that steel? What's that one? Oh, that's a steel belt. So I've already got steel going over to here anyway. Oh, so already start doing it. Okay, so I just need to get that copper line hooked in thrusters. It's copper there, isn't it? So I'll leave this for miners in the future. I might want to build miners out that way. So. Right, this is thrusters. I need 2 thrusters. I'm being a bit greedy. That's thrusters sorted. So now I just need to get these hooked in. So I need the iron plate and the CPUs. The CPUs are back here. I can build them in here somewhere. That's the thrusters. Iron plate, I'm not sure where I'm getting that from. About right there, right? I'm kind of using it all. These things are hungry. Not sure getting enough left over for the belt logic. I think we're fine though. Definitely more production then. So I'm going to build it in a belt. Enough room? Now, iron plates, please. And move it over to the CPU. No, I can't go over there because it's too high. Should be 3 high here, shouldn't it? Oh, carry capacity, nice. There we go, it's the iron. We just need to get the last part. It's the CPUs. these using CPUs? No, they're not. It's this one's using CPUs. Let's split that somehow. Let's split it there. Cool. And that can make me the engines. Well, no, the little spaceships. One stack will be enough, I think. But not CPUs, so I gave it the wrong thing. It was CPUs I gave it. Maybe that's the CPUs. Ah, that is the CPUs. I know what I gave it. That was not what I wanted to give it. Awkward. Let's take another one out of here. This poor little node is not going to get mined very well, is it? Real estate is too precious. There we go. Little ballistic drones. Live in a minute. Wow, this one's filling out with processes. And the other thing I wanted was the spaceships. I think it's the bigger engine. It's the beams in the electric engine. That's kind of easy. Those fancy beams anyway, they're like this belt here, straight into this. Let's build them here then. Well, this has got already got 10 big towers, don't really need that many. Put it there, I think. Ah, Clyde's. Cool. That's the nice little things. Let's see, electric motors. Can I move them around? Oh yeah, they. It's about here. to go in the back end of this so I can just carry it on. This belt, I think. That's that, and then to make them is a bit tricky, but oh, my energy's a bit low. Do I need them in storage or not? Might as well. New foundation, okay. This should be logistic vessel. So CPU in those blocks. That's the block. In the CPU? There's a CPU there, isn't it? I'm gonna get that in there. Not sure. Screwed that one up. Could put it there instead. But then this would have to come through maybe there. What's the other one? It's the CPU, that and that. I think it'd work there better. Oh, I can't get through there because of the... Ah, that's what's sick. Get higher up. Oh, halfway down I can do it, that's cool. I realise. Okay, now I can make these in theory. Where's the reinforced thruster? I guess they're going to there some of the time. What's my production of this? That's 30 still. A bit slow, but I mean, it's fast enough for my purposes. It's not actually using all the time. Oh, how's the power looking? It's still okay, wow. We've got these little drones, all that. I don't know what the logistics station it belongs to, that's a curious one. We can fill up with stuff. What's the timer at? 40. Kind of happy with these automations because spaceship automation here. I haven't built any yet. For some reason this thing's getting all the getting it all. Gotta give it 25 manually. Make it sphere away, I don't know. Not getting many engines though. Make more electric engines. I mean, this is pretty consumed. I pretty much destroyed all the engines. And these are available. Just need more coils to make more, right? Where does that go? Does it take all of them, does it? So. Making any with the motors? No motors. Alright, that should be a lot more engines going. I think it's 1 for 1. Oh, it's 2 for 1 actually. About 5 of them though, so might be okay. Gotta get the old belt in the inventory. Put this tower up. So I can get 5 things, so I can request more than these 2. I can like have like graphite off world or glass off world or even like these prisms off world, for instance. I could do high tech chains. Now science here is it's okay. I never really got it boosting. We're filled up on diamonds. And this is Missing the top 3 of these. Overflows are both filled up, but they've stopped producing basically. From my power is actually not going up because things aren't really building. Could go back to making this better again. Right, the plastic here is almost all gone, shit. And I did double it too. I need more these. That might help. Right there, graphite. Another factory on this side. These aren't gonna do. I don't get up and down in the same way I can. Go around the outside. This one goes up. Well, this one goes around, actually. Cool, it's a little bit faster. Yeah. Is that in the middle? What is that there? Sucks there. Nice. I don't really make enough graphite for this, to be honest. Enough oil though. Double that down. This plastic should do a bit better. Seems to be okay at this. This one's not producing. This is not getting out. There we go. It's looking much better now. What was this thing anyway? Oh, that's right. I want to try that gas giant thing out, that's all. How can I enqueue that? I don't have this. Gravity matrix. What's this? It's green. Made in research facility replicator. I don't know what that is. Why can I unqueue that? How can I queue that up? I don't know why that works. Why can I queue that up? I think it's a bug. I'll not be able to queue that up. That's the... Not quite enough graphite. Oh, there's no power, that's why. That's better. More plastic, keep that. It's going up now. Staying even at least. Yep, it's going up. Cool. Into your titanium. That's this fuel cell, I wonder. How much hydrogen? Heaps of fuel cells, holy moly. That's pretty much better. So that's 40 megajoules and 200% fuel change gen. This is 6.3. Oh wow. So it's way better than the graphite. Way better. Cool. Alright, switch over. No room. This is much better. Awesome. Nice. It's very slow production, but that's fine. I can get all that. Stop using this. We'll go to the next fire tier. Much slower use of energy. Yeah, it's way better. No more of that. I don't need the graphite anymore. I mean, like a dumps place to dump my stuff. How's this little robot thing doing anyway? 10. Seems to be fine. We've got 100 drones. We got 11 spaceships. Well, how far does it stack? Consume space warp, but I don't even know what that means. No, no electric engine units getting made though. Not enough of them. This is getting consumed slowly. It's not getting any batteries. What's happened here? That's too fast to produce them. Looks like it. Well, it's got 10. It's not, there we go. So the fourth one's not being used because they don't produce fast enough. I mean, the iron's a bit too slow, I expect. Let the extra go into the production. It's not using that many batteries compared to the iron, so it's a bit better use. Get more iron plates, some more engines. You can 4 of them now, I think. Sometimes. There's 2 iron plates. The power usage has gone right up. Okay, we'll go make some more wind. Out of iron. Ooh. Oh, yeah, it's going to automate wind turbines. Other planets. Doesn't really matter. I don't really have enough for the other planet, really. How much that? Oh, look at that concrete! So good. Not much steel left. I'll have to get more steel production. Pretty fast making though. The power supply is a major problem now. We've actually gone down to consuming the reds. My buffer got used. It's not been using this. Strange. Get another one in, it sucks. Research is this. This is the interstellar. What is this gas giant thing? Alright, I think I'm gonna call it. What was it? 14. Did well. We did well. GG.